In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the upper fan shroud on this Chevy Silverado 2500. Let's install this TRQ fan shroud. To start, we have to remove this plastic cover here. It's just held on with a lot of push clips, so let's get all of those out so we can pull the cover off. This is what they look like. You can stick a trim tool in here, pop the center up, and then remove the rest of the push clip. Just go around and take out all of them. Now remove this. At the top of the fan shroud, you'll have a push clip right here. On the driver's side, it'll be right next to the radiator hose. On the other side, it'll be in a similar location, except there is no radiator hose up there. Pull this off. Halfway down on the fan shroud, that's where it actually splits, and it's going to have 2 push clips on each side, so 4 in total. You're going to have to get some sort of a trim tool in here that can pry the center up like this, and then pull the whole thing up. Like I said, there are 2 per side, so another one will be right over here. These often get stuck from heat cycles over time. The plastic gets brittle and obviously debris. There we go. Do the same to the other side. At this point, you can take the upper radiator hose and just push it out of the way like this. There's a hose on the passenger side that's clipped onto the fan shroud here. I'm actually just going to remove the retainer because we'll have to transfer it. And now you should be able to pull the fan shroud right up and off. Put the upper fan shroud back on. Make sure you clear the hose here. Try not to break anything. You do have to bend it just a little bit. All right. Let's get this hose back up on here. Make sure everything is lined up, and I'm going to connect the 2 fan shrouds together now before I move further so I can make sure everything's lined up. Install these push clips that hold the 2 together. Okay, this one's popped out, so I'm going to reset that. I don't want this splitting open so that the airflow can go exactly where it needs to go. Otherwise the truck might not cool down properly, so you want to watch out for this. Make sure that's seated. Do the same on the other side. We had a retainer here on the passenger side for this hose. Clip that back on. And don't forget about the push clips at the top. Do the same on the other side. Let's reinstall this top cover here. Just start on one side, work your way to the other, and install all of the push clips that hold this on. If some are missing, replace them. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.